In Saudi Arabia, she had problem because she get divorced, and in here she had problem with the people from Syria.
She had problems even here with the neighbors.
Yeah, she didn't have problem. Actually, the people from Syria, because she was from Saudi Arabia, they were hating her, and because she get divorced, they were thinking that I'm sorry, she's kind of whore.
Did she tell you that they wanted to move to other countries or go
Yeah,
back to
she
Saudi
said,
Arabia?
no, not Saudi Arabia, but she said to me that she wants to be far from the Arab people, because Arab people, they're hurting her a lot. She was saying they are always trying to fight in all the countries, in everywhere. They are only fighting, and she was tired of fighting. And she said, maybe if I can change my case to go to Canada or to USA, she wanted to go because they were pushing her a lot in here.